Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set up an out of office auto reply on the Gmail application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen, then scroll down to settings, scroll down again to compose and reply, and here you have the out of office auto reply feature at the top of the screen. At the top of this category, tap on this button on the right side, then you should set the first day and the last day of the auto reply function. Type in the subject, then type in the message, and here you can set this send to my contacts only function, and when you are done, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby saving the out of office message. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.